welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, welcome to my channel. My name is Bubbles Baddie, and in today's video I am going to be finally showing y'all what I got for my birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Okay y'all, so I know if y'all are a real true loyal baddie, y'all have been wondering where is your birthday haul. Like,
What's the holdup?
well, I was waiting because I thought I was gonna get more stuff. Last year, mostly everything I got for my birthday, my mama paid for. This year, I actually saved up for my birthday. You know, responsible adult. You know, I turned 19, had to do it myself. Like, I bought most of the things this year. I mean, she gave me some money and I used some of it, but you know, that wasn't really expected. If y'all did not know, if y'all did not watch my birthday vlog, go watch it. But I went to Atlanta because I was like, okay, well, I done save up all this money, I want to ball out. So I go to Atlanta and Atlanta didn't have shit, guys, nothing. My main mission for my birthday was to get some Chanel sneakers, and they did not even have those. Like, that was the one thing that I was like, I need for my birthday, and they did not have them. But this is what I was able to pick up for my birthday, around my birthday, whatever. So yeah, y'all, let's get right into this freaking video. This is in no way, shape, or form a bragging video. A lot of my baddies actually want to see this video. I told you I was gonna make it, so I gotta deliver, okay? The first item is from Prada, and honestly, y'all, being real with y'all, I regret this purchase. So at first with my birthday, I had this whole 2000s I had this whole 2000s aesthetic. I know, like, Prada got them cute, whatchamacallit, what bags called, shoulder bags, and then they had the headband, so I wanted to do that set. But every time I tried to order it, it went out of stock or something. So, so like I was saying, I bought the headband because I was planning to do this vibe at first, but all my plans ended up getting ruined for that whole vibe. But yeah, so I bought this headband, and this shit was $360.
Stop it. Get some help.
If I would have did that look, I think it would have been worth it, but I never did the whole look. So it's like, you got this almost $400 headband for what?
You did this for what?
Why not?
Why though?
I definitely regret it because I don't really have anything this color, and it's super duper chunky. I got on braids. That's like I got on braids.
What?
I have in braids, but just to show y'all how big it is, like, it's super chunky. I like the bling headbands and stuff, but this one is like fat as fuck. I wore it one time, but I don't really see myself getting a lot of use out of this. So yeah, this was definitely a dumb purchase. And like, I don't have any Prada stores near me, so I couldn't return it, and I done bent up the box and everything now. Do not waste your money on Prada headbands unless you like got it like that. I would not waste my money on it, okay? This is something I actually picked up after my birthday because I had like a lot of leftover money because, like I said, Atlanta didn't have nothing. So I bought this little Palm Angels bag, and y'all, I'm actually so excited that I bought this because I've been wanting a Palm Angels bag for the longest, okay? So this actually wore already too, but I just put a little thing back on here so y'all would think, you know, that I waited, but I could not wait. This is their little padlock bag. When I first wore it, I did not even know how to use it, but my boyfriend figured it out for me. But it has like, what do you see? It's like digits over here. I don't know if you can actually lock it and stuff. It's like a clip thing, and it opens up like this, and it's really cute. It's pretty small, but y'all know, like, small bags are pretty much like the trend right now, so it goes with it. And I love the little strap. For me, when I get designer brands, I need them to be branded because I did not spend $200, $300, $400 on your items for people not to know, you know, what brand it is. So yeah, I think this is super cute. I got black because I just know that I have some black stuff, and black is super versatile, whatever. But yeah, I love this bag. This bag was actually like pretty expensive. It was like $342. I got this from Farfetch, and I don't know if that's the retail price, but that's how much I paid for it from that brand. So yeah, okay. Next item, let's do Louis, okay? So if y'all watched my birthday vlog, y'all seen that I went to Louis and I showed y'all a small clip of me in the store.
Flashback.
I like these shoes so much. They're so cute. So just checking to see if they got my size and don't know what I did.
End of flashback.
It's basically the same shoes that I showed y'all in that vlog, but y'all didn't really get a good look at it, so that's why I'm showing y'all here. So it is these super cute, y'all. When I seen these, I literally like fell in love. It's these high top Louis Vuitton sneakers, and what I love about them is that they're mesh on the side, so like your foot is kind of like see-through or whatever, and they're so cute. They're like a Converse style, and the pink zipper, that's what did it for me. I'm really serious, that's what did it for me. Oh yeah, and look at it, it matches perfectly with my nails, guys. Like, it's so freaking cute. So yeah, I really like these sneakers. These are like $1 grand and some change, and this was such an impulse purchase. Like, mostly everything else I bought was a little thought out. Like, I've been wanting it for a while. Even the headband, I've been wanting it for a while. These, I literally saw them and was like,
Shut up and take my money.
and I bought them the same day. Usually I like think stuff through, but I do not regret this purchase at all because they're super duper cute. And this is my first pair of loose sneakers, so welcome to the club, baby. Okay, I literally have not looked at these shoes since I bought them, and my birthday was over a month ago. All right, y'all, so I got some more shoes from Versace. So these are some sneakers as well. If y'all know me, I'm not really like a sandals type person at all, but sneakers,
That's my type. That's my type.
these might not be everybody's cup of tea.
I mean, that's fine, but you know, watch your mouth.
These are so cute to me, you guys. Like, they all silver, right? But they also have this like see-through part, just like how my other shoes did. Look at the bottom. These are so cute to me. I wanted these shoes before I even like went to Atlanta. I seen they had like the pre-order thing on their website, and I was like, oh yeah, when these are available, I'm gonna get them. And then we went there and I didn't see anything, and they just happened to have them in store. She was like, oh yeah, we just got this like a couple of days ago. I was meant to get these. These are so cute. They give me kind of like moon astronaut vibes, but I just think they're so adorable. Look at these babies. Oh yes. Oh yes, I cannot wait to wear these. I'm like falling in love with them all over again. I love these so much, and these are actually my second pair of Versace Chain Reaction sneakers. I actually bought another pair like not too long ago, so yeah. Those are really expensive because of like the metallic finish. I didn't even know they had boxes this damn big, bro. Okay.
Moments later.
So if y'all have not heard of this brand is Telfair. In New York and stuff, this bag is super popular, and what drew me to this brand was the fact that it's fucking black owned. I mean, what's not to love about that? You gotta shop black owned. So I got this cute little silver mini bag, and I know y'all probably thinking like, girl, that bag is so small. I got this one in silver. Obviously I got it to match these, so fit coming soon. Follow me on Instagram so you'll see it. And it's so cute. You can wear it as a crossbody, or you can just wear it as a little purse. And yeah, I just think it's super adorable. This was $150, and their bags sell out super duper 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 fast. Y'all cannot tell me the outfit's not gonna be fire. You already know. You already know. You already know. So yeah, I had to cop this, and I really feel good about supporting a black business, and it's super cute. All right, so the next two items are from Balenciaga. I feel like I have to get designer for my birthday. It's just a thing for me. Like, when my birthday comes, I spoil myself. Like, throughout the rest of the year, I don't really splurge a lot.
Why the fuck you lying?
But for my birthday, I make sure to spoil myself, so I had to get something designer for my birthday. And so I got this for my little birthday fit or whatever. If y'all get what I'm saying. Like, every time it's my birthday, I have to buy something designer for my birthday. I might not end up wearing it on my birthday, but I buy it for my birthday, okay? Okay. This bag, again, you can wear it as a purse or you can wear it as a crossbody. I never wore it as a crossbody because I'm so into this freaking look. But it's super cute. This box is so heavy. If y'all ever have some triple S's, them bitches is heavy. OG baddies, y'all would know that I had these shoes last year for Christmas. I ended up returning them just because the color was like so crazy. I was like, I'm never going to be able to wear them. And honestly, it's the same thing. I can't really wear them that much because the color is so loud. Like, I can't find anything to go with it. But I bought this for my birthday just because I was like, I need something that's different, that stands out. I didn't want to get something boring and like the other people have. So I bought these, and I think these are super duper cute. I really like how they look. But me personally, when I buy designer things, I just like for my purchases to be like worthwhile and like an investment. So these weren't like the best investment, but they're super cute. And I love the clear soles at the bottom, and they're so cute. And Zay got the green ones, so we was giving you Cosmo and Wanda, baby. Period. That is the
Really, nigga?
that is the end of my freaking what I got for my birthday haul luxury edition, because I know I'm probably like, girl, that's all you got for your birthday. Well, first of all, baby, this is like $5,000 worth of merchandise, so it might not be that many items, but it's a lot of money, okay? And the rest of the things that I did get for my birthday, I'm planning to put that in another haul, so make sure y'all turn on your post notifications so y'all be able to see that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. I know a lot of y'all were asking me for it, so that's why I still like gave it to y'all. I know it's not a lot of stuff. I cannot help that. Like, I literally could not find anything. Do not think like, oh, she didn't get shit for her birthday. This is a lot of stuff. It's just don't look like it because it's designer, but quality over quantity, okay? Okay, baddies, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If so, make sure I give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, baddies.